Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when we drop a video, you'll be notified. This is episode 16. Yeah, so if you haven't checked the other episode, please go, just press where it's written videos and then go and check everything that we did. We have another podcast on the channel, which is Gen Z's podcast. Go and check that one out. The Gen Z's drops every Monday. Every Monday we're gonna drop the Gen Z's. So make sure you stay tuned guys. Support. Yeah, support. Yeah. I have my buddy here again.
Yeah, I'm back. Hi guys, hi everyone. Missed you. The name is still Ntantla Chauke. I hope you guys are well. Yeah man, I'm back again. Can't wait to engage with you. Thank you again for the support on the previous video. We appreciate you guys. Just keep on liking and subscribing and press that notification bell so that when we drop new stuff you get notified. Thank you.
Gentlemen,
thank
you for coming back.
Again.
Guys, I'm trying to get this guy to do these things weekly. I don't know, sometimes I don't even find him where he stays, guys.
Nah,
so if you don't see me dropping, it means I didn't get out of this gentleman.
Nah, I'm available.
No, you're just saying available just because now we're on camera.
I've been busy, but it's not gonna take my time from this thing because I really wanna do this thing. So yeah, and you guys should support us, man, because the more you guys engage with us, we get pumped up to keep on dropping this good stuff for you. So what do we have today?
Guys, I want to talk about okay, actually let me ask you, why do you think ladies lack confidence? Like, what is that?
Oh, confidence, ne? I don't know, like the thing is, there's a lot of things that maybe might show that ladies lack confidence in the way that I understand it, because it's a very vast question with a lot of aspects in it. But the only thing that reassures me that ladies are lacking confidence is that you'll find a lot of ladies around communities, malls and stuff looking alike or looking more like the women that we see on TV, our influencers. So yeah, you'll find a lot of women not wanting to look natural. They'll be putting on makeup, weaves, and wearing all sorts of things that we see on TV. And most of those women, like maybe you'll see someone you grew up, a lady that you grew up with, maybe for instance.
Admiring.
Yeah, maybe whilst you guys were growing up, she used to be a decent lady. She used to be the way she was when she came to this earth. Like she used to be natural. She was comfortable in her own skin. You wouldn't find her with a lot of colors on her face and weaves and stuff. But as time goes on, maybe when she starts being a teenager, she feels like people who are not natural or who are artificial or who have makeup on and weaves and who are revealing things are more appealing to the public, because she sees a lot of her grown-ups and everyone around her looking like that. So like her confidence, she'll be more confident when she looks more like them rather than how she was when she was growing up. So
okay, a question for you. Do you prefer a natural woman, or do you prefer somebody who pimped
themselves up? Nah, the thing is, for me, I'm not against all the artificial stuff. You know? I'm not straight on like a natural guy. I'm on both sides. I'm saying that all women should feel comfortable in their own skin. But in a way, if they do want to look different for a day, like, give me both. Give me the natural you and give me the artificial you. No, it's fine. Yeah, so give me the natural you and give me the artificial you. I shouldn't be seeing one face.
Wait. What do you mean you should give her the natural and the artificial?
No, like, okay.
if okay, let's say now you meet a girl who have you know, we have
makeup on and
like big ass, you know, they go for this BBL.
Yes.
Like a Brazilian butt lift and stuff, right?
Yeah.
She have done her titties.
Yeah,
you know,
nose jobs.
Job and everything. Like she can't show you natural. What do you mean? You have to show natural?
No, okay, this thing. Or when it's on that level, when like people do their nose jobs and all these surgeries to enhance themselves, it's more on. It's more like an artificial. She's like an artificial person altogether when it's like on that.
Yeah.
But I'm not against that, and I'm not judging people who do that. It's just that you cannot reverse a surgery. You cannot longer go natural when like done a surgery.
So, but like my question was, do you prefer somebody who have done your surgeries?
Okay,
or somebody who's natural?
Yeah, because
that's my question.
I understand the question. Some people, just that I didn't understand it to that level. Some people wear makeup maybe when they're going to a special gathering and stuff, and then when they come back, because your skin cannot breathe, and it decays your skin. Like the skin pores, they don't have time to breathe when you have that makeup on and stuff. So they come back from that event and they take it off and they still look good. So I was saying I prefer someone who is comfortable in their skin and who can also do that whenever they feel like it, you know. But if it's a question of you have already done like a surgery and stuff, for me, man, I don't know, like how should I put it? Because anyway, if you go
the question is easy.
It's straightforward.
I'm like, I don't know why this guy is messing around it, guys.
I'm beating around the bush because this question was not straightforward, guys.
No, but like I'm saying, do you
prefer a lady who is natural
or somebody who pimped up herself?
Yeah, some people can pimp themselves up.
But like, what do you prefer?
Permanently.
But like I'm saying, what do you prefer?
Now I prefer natural. I'm a natural guy. I prefer natural.
Oh, okay.
But I don't have anything against people who have people.
No, but it was just a question.
Yeah, I'm not fighting. I accept the question and I'm willing to answer the question. I'm just saying that if you have, like, decide, man, like take a deep breath before like doing all these surgeries, because as we said, some of these things, some of these things that you do, you won't like reverse them tomorrow. You'll just wake up and you'll be like that, or you'll be 90 something with a butt which was enhanced. And some of the time these things have side effects. As I said, with the makeup, it makes your skin to decay way too fast. Even those
when you're putting like a makeup,
a lady who puts more makeup like every day frequently, even like every day when she wakes up or goes to, when she gets older, her skin will be like more, it will decay faster because the skin pores on her skin every time when she has makeup on. It can't breathe. So like her skin later on should become a granny before the ages come.
Yeah, man. For me, when it comes to a natural and
the pimped up girls
and these pimped up girls and everything, I have a problem with these pimping up girls, whatever. So now I look good. Okay. It's build your comfort. Your confidence, your whatever, guys. But like I'm saying, I saw in America, because remember in America it's sold to the world that is the best, whatever.
Yeah, everybody does.
A lot of people here. I mean on America, they are busy removing their BBLs. Yeah, I saw. I'm gonna check if I still have that video. Bro, they were busy squeezing fats out of this lady, man. She was just sitting. If I do have that video, I'm gonna put it there.
Wow.
Bro, like we are busy chasing. Guys, stay natural. We love you the way you are, man.
Yeah, but the thing is, the honest truth, man. When a natural lady comes, and like when a pimped up girl comes or a pimped up lady comes, like both these women have a different element.
I understand where you're going, that you're gonna look at the other one who have like Brazilian butt lift, the BBL, right? Like, yo, this one. But are you gonna? But you don't wanna have that the rest of your life.
Yeah, you're not gonna have that.
You get it?
Yes.
That's why I'm saying, ladies, if you are natural, stay natural, guys.
Yeah, rather be comfortable in your own skin.
But if you know that you are a chick for the street, go for the BBS and plastic.
Or you're gonna maintain the lifestyle, because these surgeries, man, like after at the time, or after a while, you need to go and get checked.
Yeah, and remember now,
checkups.
You have hustled so hard to get the 100K, yeah? To go to Turkey and whatever and do your butt lift and stuff.
Yeah.
The stomach, whatever, where they remove the fats, boom, 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 right?
Yeah.
Make sure that you have to maintain exactly what Ntantla was saying.
Yeah.
You have to maintain that lifestyle. You must know that if ever you have done these things in Turkey by 100 grand and stuff, make sure you have more than that to service yourself. Because now you look like a car. Now you have to get some service.
Most people, it's like those guys, like Jenses. In terms of Jenses, there are guys who maybe don't feel comfortable in their own natural body, so they'll go and do bodybuilding. Then when they start doing bodybuilding, they'll be lifting weights and exercising, and then their bodies will not be developing at the rate that they'll be expecting. Like they won't be getting pumped up fast. That six-pack is taking forever. Then these guys end up deciding to take proteins and protein shakes. Protein shakes,
I think it's
and steroids. Most of them, the ones which are very impatient, they start injecting themselves with steroids. And then you get pumped up. You become that buff guy. You look like a bouncer. But remember, whatever that you have put in yourself, it was not naturally made by your body. So you need to always, man, like keep up with whatever that you're doing. Because 10 years later, you find that the same guy who had like a nice, good bouncer body is now looking like a wrecked car, as you said. Things are just falling, like muscles are just falling. So like everything that you do to enhance your body, guy or a lady, make like a small research about it and be sure that you can maintain whatever that you're starting.
Like in the long run, is this thing's gonna be healthier? Is this is gonna be
because some people,
because it's crazy though.
Some people I know, some people look at themselves in the mirror and they be like, nah, I'm not satisfied with this nose. It's not sharp enough or it's not small enough. Then they go and do like a nose job, they undergo surgery and stuff. And then, okay, like that is not a big change in a way. You get the results that you wanted from that surgery. But let's learn to love ourselves the way we are.
Of course.
Yeah, put makeup on, but only when you feel like it. I'm not saying everything is wrong. Only when you feel like it, or only when you're in a position whereby you can maintain or like support whatever that you have started. Don't start things and then you don't know much about them. Later on in your life, they become a problem.
Guys,
bigger problem than the one that you had.
What I'm gonna tell you guys, the only thing that I can say to you guys, surgeries is for giving birth. Surgeries is for accident where they have to do something. Surgeries is for emergencies. Not me, like on my normal state.
Yeah, most people have self-esteem problems. Most people have self-esteem problems. Like maybe let's say you are a black person, you grow up in a white neighborhood when there's a lot of white people. Your nose does not fit into the community. Then you feel like your nose is not good enough. That's what I'm saying. People should learn to love themselves the way they are. God created you in that way. Yeah. You must appreciate what you've done. God, your ancestors and everyone who has brought you into this world. Yeah. They wanted you to be like that. So change yourself once in a while. Like put makeup on, but mostly be comfortable in your own skin, because this is what you are born with. You can remove it and put plastic surgeries and everything, but later on, that thing is going to be a problem. Like it's going to be a problem altogether. It needs maintenance. You must go for checkups. But whenever you are still in your natural skin, everything was good. Yeah, man. It's less costly. Bro, like, I don't know what's wrong with our... Nah, people just love ladies. Even guys, we know that you guys even put some,
you know, say 6-pack, whatever for surgeries. Who does that? Because you are lazy to go to gym.
Yeah, people are lazy.
This is crazy.
And it's not about laziness. Some people are just impatient.
People, when it's time to shortcut,
they like taking the short road. And later on, that shortcut becomes like the long.
I saw a lady, right? Yeah. I think they were having like a lunch, or a breakfast, whatever, at the hotel, bro. The week fall.
Yeah,
bruh, she was embarrassed. She was acting as if, I don't know, man. Like she lost something that is permanent to her, bruh.
You just cut the hand off,
bro. Yeah, she was so.
And that thing is artificial. She forgets that.
Bro, this thing is busy brainwashing you. And me, I love.
And this thing is so unfortunate, people. To like people who come from less privileged background, because. All these artificial stuffs, man, are expensive. People like break the bank just to afford them, and they are putting a lot of unnecessary pressure to our kids, because our kids think that is that whatever the people put out there in the social media is what's approvable. No, people, to you who are staying there at home, learn to love yourself, man. Just look at you, give yourself enough time with the mirror and start appreciating the things
what you see.
Yeah, because that's you, man.
Yo.
A lot of that is just gonna cost you a lot of money.
Okay, moving forward, guys. What do you think about soul ties, or what do you think causes soul ties?
Yeah,
or in general, what do you think about soul ties?
And lastly, just to close that thing of confidence. Before answering the soul ties thing, I'm sorry about it. This point just came in. These people that we see on our TVs and on our screens, they only get to put that when they are being recorded to be seen by the world. Most of those people, after like recording, they just wipe those things and go back to their natural selves and spend the longest time being natural. So when you're busy fussing or obsessing about something that a person does over 1 hour during like a session of recording and stuff, but they spend the rest of their day looking like themselves, the way they came into this earth. So yeah, like people, it's not
when you wake up, when you go to work every time, you put makeup, these things.
Yeah,
it's like you're plastering your face.
Yeah,
with all these chemicals.
And these people that you're looking up to, they only get to do that when they are being seen by you. When they are around their peers and their families, they look like the way their peers and their families know them.
Damn.
So it's cold, people. It's like that. It's just that cold.
Imagine you go to the club, you find this beautiful honey. When you wake up in the morning,
and that's always like that, guys. That's always like that. You know, you find someone who looks like Barbie, they're colorful and stuff, and like you score them. When you wake up in the morning, there's a big difference. There's a big difference, and then like, you end up seeing this monster next to you. And when you took her from the club, you were looking at an angel and stuff. And if only you approached that girl on her natural state,
it was a different story.
Yeah, she was going to be an angel the way she is.
Yeah.
But because there's those artificial stuff, and some people don't even get enough time to like put their hair nicely together and put the weave on. They just put like this thing and then put the weave on. And like when the weave is off and all those colors are off, the mascaras and the lipsticks and all this,
women.
It's like you take
guys
mad.
Are our queens.
Yeah,
please,
you take mad.
Build your confidence, guys.
You guys are the pillars of the community. People look up to you.
From makeup, clothes as well. You know, there's a cloth that have like some curves.
Yeah, I know. Like their underwears with butts. Like it's crazy. And bras with teeth in them.
What is going on here?
It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Like,
damn, man, this is crazy.
Girls, just stay away from all that. Like it's not a big deal to put makeup on. It's not a big deal. But be cautious. Be very much cautious.
Don't go too deep, guys.
Because as I said, you wake up with someone with. It's like you guys were on a color festival event. That's how they look in the morning. It's like they just took those colors and then put them on their faces. And lastly, those cheap makeup, they dirty the sheets, man. They dirty the sheets. if you have white sheets on or something colorful, then somebody has like a green makeup or whatever on their face.
It's gonna mess up.
It's gonna mess up your bed sheets, man. Come on, guys. Come on. Put something which is simple. Like I can still see you through that makeup. I don't want you to be completely different. Because a person will be putting a makeup layer which is this thick.
Yeah.
Think about your skin, man. It needs to breathe. Just imagine somebody putting like something this thick on your nose. You can't even breathe. So think of your skin. It also needs to breathe.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, soul ties, man.
Yeah. Let's talk about the soul ties. What do you think about the soul ties?
I think soul ties is like, okay, let's describe first soul ties, because I don't want to answer something I don't understand. According to me, if I'm wrong, I think a soul tie is something that people, or like maybe a male and a female, or two parties have, you know. It's like a spiritual bind or a spiritual bond, something which ties you to that person. Like you and that person have sort of a bond or a connection through that thing. Am I right? Like
you are. It's physically and emotional.
Yeah, spiritual as well. So soul ties, what do I think about them? I think, man, they come through. Okay, I've heard that when people interact in like sexual causes, they
exchange souls.
Their souls become connected and stuff. So I think one thing which
we are just assuming.
Yeah, I was just assuming, but no, that's for me. It's like, I think it can be a fact, because I've once read in the Bible that if you in a cultural sense and in a biblical sense, I've been told this, that whenever you with someone, or whenever you get intimate with someone, you guys become connected spiritually. So like that's one thing that can get you soul ties for a fact. Like sexual intercourse will get you tied up to someone. If somebody, it's like you guys are sharing whatever that's in your spirits. If I have good luck spirits within me and you have like bad luck demons, and then we interact like that, and then whatever you have becomes mine, and whatever that I have becomes yours. So like I think
you know we were having a conversation at work with Sithole, right?
Yeah.
She's one of
your colleagues.
Of my she's a super fan. Yeah, she is a colleague, but she's a super fan. She watches everything that you drop.
Thank you, Sithole. We appreciate you.
So we were having a conversation about these things, right?
Yeah.
But like, according to my understanding, where the soul ties comes from, I think it's coming from like DNA. Remember, when you kiss a chick, right? Yeah. You guys are exchanging saliva.
Yes.
Which have a DNA
inside. Yeah.
When you guys are sleeping together, when your bodies are touches to each other. Yeah. You are sweating, right? Yeah. The sweat have like a DNA inside, and you have like these small pores. Yeah. Right?
Yes.
When you guys you penetrate the cheek, right? Yeah. Automatically you guys are releasing something and she's releasing something. So there's an exchange of DNA. So I think that's where soul ties for me comes from. And one thing, remember, when you have somebody's DNA, you have the coding of each and everything, how you think, how you behave,
everything in them. Yeah.
That's why I think even when you are busy cheating or you are doing something, the lady will tell you.
They can feel it.
Yeah, because she have your DNA, man.
Yeah, and I think
she have your DNA, dog.
I also think family can also have, like in a sense, the way you're putting it. Like, you can get soul ties through sharing of DNA. So like, even if maybe let's say you have a twin brother, you guys are identical twins. It's not a superstition. I've once had like a friend, okay, let me say they were my friends, because these guys were twins, identical twins. So these guys, they used to separate them, like in each and every class that we'll attend, to keep the order within the class, because they were giving it class. So these guys, remember, they were identical twins, and I was close with one of them, but most of the time I'd be with all of them, because they were always in pairs. So the thing is, these guys, according to me, like they have like a portion of their DNA is the same. since they are identical twins.
It is the same.
So if this other guy was to get hurt on a different class in a different block, this guy not necessarily feel the pain, but he will have a feeling or a sense of feeling that my twin brother somewhere else is getting hurt. Yeah, like even a parent, even a parent. There's this other day, I was chilling with my friend's mom. I went to my friend's place. So this was later on in my life when I was in high school. I think it was grade 12. So like after matric dance, I didn't see the guy through the night. Then I went to his house in the morning after the hangovers and stuff. Then I wanted to know his whereabouts from his mom. And I got there, greeted them, then I asked them. Then they told me that they haven't seen him. And like I could see from like I was close, her mom would take me as her own son because I was friends with her son. So I could feel like she was not well. She was not well emotionally for not seeing the boy. Yeah, for not seeing the boy. And like she was feeling this thing that maybe something bad might have happened to that boy. And then I was still sitting there and getting to know the whereabouts of my friend, and with my distressed stepmom, because my friend's mom is my mom. My friend pulled up, and he was like bleeding in a way on his forehead. Somebody cut him. He was involved in a fight after the party last night. So yeah, this soul ties these things. Your people can feel that you're hurt.
Yes, me, I believe mostly these things is being caused by beside the spirituality and whatnot. Because when it comes to spiritual, there's like your witchcraft and stuff. But like I believe DNA wise, bro, it's like as like brothers or
siblings.
You always fight.
You
can fight as much as you guys want, right? But if the outsider comes and says you wanna take side, you guys you're gonna
gang up on the outside.
Then after that, you're gonna continue with your fight. So do you understand? You don't want anything that's gonna
come in between. Your souls are tied.
I'm telling you,
your souls are bonded.
I'm telling you,
by blood.
You can fight anyhow. When this thing's called DNA thingy, you share something.
Yeah, you guys are bonded anyway, spiritually.
I'm telling you. Okay, moving along. Do you think if relationship these days don't last, right? Maybe if you can say you lasted so long, it's like 1 year or so, right?
1 year, this year, but these days is few months.
But like, but don't you think if, example, right? Let's say maybe they say for a relationship that's gonna last 5 years, you guys have to get some rewards like a trophy or something. Don't you think relationships are gonna last long? Just
anyway,
just imagine, bro.
If people are getting prizes for dating each other, for staying committed. I think people were gonna be serious.
Because maybe after 5 years, right? Maybe you are cashing up like 100,000 for an example. People
stay committed to one another. It will be a motivation to stay together. And people will set up relationship goals like, you know what, babe, let's go register that we are dating. And then in 10 years to come, our relationship goals, it's either we buy each other something or we split that money. We uplift one another.
I'm just thinking because
if people are getting prices, I think definitely divorces. Even people wouldn't be divorcing
because there's a lot of breakups.
Divorces and breakup.
People don't last
and breaks up. Then there will be less because I think most people these days, these people that are coming up on this new generation, they need motivation to do almost everything. So like our government or whoever think they can sponsor this project, they should be on it. Like
we're giving them ideas.
Because a lot of kids are losing
their parents.
Yeah,
I grew up without a father, grew up without a mother. But
they are traumatizing our society.
I'm telling you, man. If,
so
if ever there were like some prize up ahead, but like after 5 years,
you go and cash out
100,000. People are gonna stay together.
People need motivation. So
I'm telling you, man.
This thing should be implemented, or people should think about implementing this thing. Man, we have like a lot of broken souls.
Man.
Yeah, we have a lot of
for kids, man. I feel bad for kids.
Even not for kids. Like these days, someone will get into a relationship, and then this person is genuine about the next person that they're dating. Then they date, they push their thing. And then the other person is not as committed as the first person. And then this person that gets the person which is serious, obviously they wanna root for the second person to like, let's push this thing and like, let's do this. And then whenever that the second person gets there, like whatever that they want, it might be they might find like their soulmate out there or whatever that they wanted from the relationship, and now they're satisfied, like they wanna start a new thing. The first person which was committed is gonna be left heartbroken because that person invested everything into that relationship. And then what happens next? That heartbroken partner goes out there, and someone else who doesn't know anything about what happened to that person's life approaches that person and tries to give love to that person, and we end up having like a lot of broken souls, heartbroken souls, because of one person. So maybe if we can encourage that person, you know what, you'll get a prize, man. Just stick to your person. Things might work
after.
We might limit.
Because there's always a solution, bro.
There's always, and this is one of the solutions. If someone has like is denying our solution, comment there on the notification on the comment section and tell us like what is it that you think will motivate people to
stay together,
to stick together. Because there's a lot of heartbreaks. People are just dating to date, and some people are just dating to hurt others. It's like that. A lot of people are just there's a lot of heartbreaks out there, and a lot of kids without full guardians, the parent, the father, and the mother.
Always there's some separations.
Always separations. So
okay, why do you think people who don't have much, right? Like me and you, we like designers too much, like designers.
Broke people,
broke people. Let's put it in this way. Why broke people like designers too much?
I don't know, man, but what I'll come up with, or what I've noticed, is that okay, maybe
because have you seen it?
Most people,
really rich people,
like they would dress.
Check your Jay-Z's nowadays. Only wears like your shoe, your suits and everything. Check your Bill Gates.
I've seen Mark Zuckerberg. He used to wear like this grey shirt. Bro, this guy is a billionaire and he's like a set of grey shirts. Every interview that he pulls up in, he's wearing like a grey print shirt.
So what do you think people who doesn't have much would like things?
We have designers. I think maybe it's because firstly, we don't have much to start with. So when we get something which is priced, which is valuable,
if we don't have much, right? You are right. We don't have much. So if we don't have much, why are we even trying? Who are we trying to impress?
No, the thing is, since you don't have much, just imagine not having much and getting to have something which is valuable to almost everyone. Because those designer clothes, I think they are valuable to people with a lot of things. That's why they.
No,
wait.
But like now, okay,
listen to me.
Okay, go ahead.
The same Jay-Z or whoever who is on the public space or who's an influencer, whenever they go to be recorded, to be seen by the world, they'll make sure that they put on something fancy, something that will be noticeable. Or whenever they go out, like maybe to the malls and stuff, they'll put on something which is pricey or something which is valuable.
My argument is this. You are missing my point. I'm saying nowadays, right? These people, they don't wear those things anymore. They used to. On their come up, they used to wear all these designers, right?
You're right there.
Yeah.
When they're there on top,
they are no longer. There was like, yo, what's the use of?
I think
driving a Bentley or Bugatti or whatever.
Yeah.
Now I just have like a normal car which is comfortable. I'm gonna drive this, let's say C63 or G63, whatever.
No, people. Now my argument stays the way that I put it in the first place. People with less, the moment they have like they get hold of something which is like valued by most people, by people who don't have and people who have, they feel like they've made it in a way. It's like having that one thing that you've always wanted. Yeah, as I was saying, people with less, when they get hold of something which is valued by most people, they feel like they've made it. So they motivate or like they'll be bragging to the second person who has less.
Yeah.
That I have a Nike job.
So okay, so alright.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
You put it nicely there. So fake people.
Yeah.
I mean, like poor people are just living a fake life.
Yeah, they love fake. They love stunting. They love showing people things they don't have.
Damn.
Yeah, that's how it is. Because
that's crazy.
In a way, it makes a lot of sense to understand this, or to understand it like this. If you don't have anything and you are in a position of something valuable, and then you are around people who don't have anything like you feel like you're the one who is more valuable amongst those people.
Guys, my take is this on this issue.
Yeah.
Don't wear your 15,000 or 25,000 issues while you're still using a cab.
Yeah.
Why don't you take that money and buy a small? No, like a small car.
Yeah.
You know.
Support, yeah.
So just buy a small whip, do whatever you're gonna do. Stop living a fake life, guys, because it's killing our society.
Yeah, because they're motivating other kids to do that. Yeah. It's like a second.
If you can't afford, you can't afford.
Just stay on your lane.
Just leave it there.
Yeah, stay on your lane. Don't.
Okay. I have a quiz, right?
Yeah.
I have a quiz. Wanna play a quiz now?
No, we want the quiz more.
Yeah, I wrote some quiz because this guy did science, right? So I wanna see how much you know.
Long time.
And wanna play a quiz, right?
Yeah, questions.
Yeah, I wanna play a quiz with. I'm gonna give you a question.
Yeah.
Where there's like 3 answers.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have to pick one. One is the right answer, right? So we're gonna play a 3-second rule. After the countdown, you're gonna answer.
I should have thought my answer.
Yeah. You got a 3 seconds to answer this one, right? Which animal has no brain, heart, bones, or eyes? Number 1, slug. Number 2, a worm. Number 3, jellyfish.
Number 3, jellyfish.
Oh, then let me play this.
Yeah, the animal which has no eyes, no bones, and no heart. I think it's a jellyfish on those options.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a jellyfish. I'm sorry if I get it wrong. Okay. My science is a bit rusty, guys.
It's a slug, bro.
It's a slug.
I'm kidding, it's jellyfish.
Okay.
Okay.
I got one.
Okay, number 2. Which animal sleep with one eye open and the other closed? Ne?
Yes.
Number 1, a dolphin. Number 2, owl. Number 3, a shark. Okay, let me play.
Yeah. The animal which sleeps with one eye closed and the other eye open. I think it's a shark.
No,
because it's more dangerous. Yeah, it will make sense. Yeah, a shark is more violent on those options. Okay,
and then the answer is the dolphin.
Why would a dolphin sleep with one eye? Why would a dolphin attempt? A shark has the right to sleep with one eye. That thing is vicious, man.
Okay, let's go to the other one. What animal do you see without having eyes? Ne? Eyes.
Yeah.
Number 1, a bat. Number 2, a snake.
Yeah.
Number 3, a mirror.
Okay.
Okay, let me play a sound piece.
I think a bat. I'm gonna choose a bat. It sleeps. It sees without. It doesn't see without eyes. It can see in the dark. The other two options, which is the snake and the mirror. I don't know that other animal, so I'm gonna go with a bat. I've once heard that a bat sleeps. It can see in the dark.
No. Yeah, it doesn't see in the dark.
Yeah.
The bat uses the sound
to hear.
No, because when it makes that sound, it goes and bounces on the wall and comes back. So it can tell that there's a wall.
Oh.
Yes. So it doesn't see.
So a bat doesn't see. It's completely blind.
No, it doesn't see in the dark, but it uses the sound
to see in the dark.
Yeah, to maneuver in the dark. So your answer you said is bat. No, the answer is a mirror.
Yeah, I don't know that animal. So that's
okay, moving forward with the quiz. Which animal has the strongest bite force between crocodile, lion, and a hippopotamus?
Okay, the sound quiz. The ones I think. The sound quiz.
Okay.
The sound quiz. I forgot the sound quiz. This sound. I think a hippopotamus has like the strongest bite force. Yeah, between a lion and a crocodile.
Yeah.
Because amongst these three animals, a hippopotamus has like a bigger body.
Yeah.
So I think it will be the one with the strongest biting force. Am I right or am I?
Should I give you the answer now?
Yeah, you should give you the answer.
The crocodile.
The crocodile, but it's so small.
I understand. The hippopotamus is bigger than the
crocodile. Yeah, maybe
10 times the size of it. But like this,
at least I'm learning something. I only got one since we started.
Listen,
but I'm true.
Which animal cannot blink? A fish, a snake, and a frog.
Okay, sound quiz.
Sound quiz.
Once I think. Animal which cannot blink.
A fish, a snake, and a frog.
A snake. I've watched a lot of National Geography. So I've once seen a fish blink. What is it? A fish blinking and a my answer and a frog blinking. So my answer will be a snake. A snake doesn't blink. Guys.
A fish doesn't blink.
What is it that I saw blinking? A fish doesn't blink.
Okay.
Guys, my memory.
Okay.
I'm losing.
Listen. The next one.
Get my game on.
The last one, but this one is the last one.
I should get this one.
Guys, please comment in the comment section if you need
help me.
Guys.
Yeah, help me with
which animal is known for changing colors? Chameleon.
Yeah, this one I'm gonna get it easy.
Octopus.
Yeah.
And a peacock.
Okay, put the sound keys on. Okay. This one I'm gonna get it right, no matter what. Otherwise, if I get this one wrong, he's cheating. I think that is given me. You guys should also answer them on the comment section below. An animal which is capable of changing colors, I think it's a chameleon.
Yeah, you get it right.
At least I got 2 right. But
out of 6, 2 out of 6, then.
I should get a bonus one. I should get a bonus to redeem myself.
No. Yeah. I didn't have the number 7. It's 6. It's fair, but I still 3.
Yeah, but at least, guys, 40%.
So, please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Please comment on the comment section if you need more quiz, guys. We're gonna do more quiz.
Yeah, we should. We like hanging out with you. It's been like the most, I don't know, biggest love. You guys are amazing, guys. Yeah, we're doing this because of you.
We're out. Peace. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.